Hello everyone. Last time we have learned about relative speed. Let's do some of the calculations with that. Before that, let's take a quick revision of that. So, today's question is, at what time do the hour and minute hand coincides? At what time they are together? So there could be multiple different types of questions. As I told you, it would be either a direct simple word coincide, or it would be at what time they are together. Both means the same thing. So if you remember last time, before going to this question, we have learned what is relative speed. So relative speed was when two objects move in the same direction, we have to subtract their speed. And the two objects here in this question is in the clock, that is the hour hand and the minute hand. So the speed, the relative speed between them, we have calculated, that was 11 by 12. So the relative speed is 11 by 12, and we are learning this formula, that is time equals to distance upon speed. So we have the speed and we know the distance that they are covering. So in an hour, the distance that the hour hand or the minute hand, we can say the minute hand is covering, that is 60 divisions. That is the most important thing. Now to find the time when they would be together again, when they would be colliding, or then it would be coinciding, how can we do that? So the time when the hour and minute hand will coincide, that would be 60, that is a distance, divisions, divide by 11 by 12. So with a simple calculation, when we will bring the denominator into the numerator, so it would be 60 into 12 by 11, that brings us 720 by 11. Now there is a simple calculation on that. So just understand a simple division that you have done since childhood. So when we divide 720 by 11, so we will get the quotient as 65, and then we will get the remainder as 5. So whenever in this time, in this clock questions, we divide certain in a traditional manner, so whatever question we get, that is our minutes, and whatever remainder we get, that is our seconds. Okay, so in this way, the question that is 65 and the remainder, that would be 5 by 11, that is seconds. But this 65 minutes can also be broken down, and we can write it as 60 plus 5 minutes. Why? Because 60 minutes is making 1 hour, and 5 minutes, 5 by 11 seconds. So this bring us to a conclusion that at every 1 hour, 5 minutes, 5 by 11 seconds, the hour hand, minute hand will coincide. That is, when the clock starts ticking, then at 1 o'clock, 5 minutes, 5 by 11 seconds, the hour and minute hand would be together. Now they will again start moving. They again have to cross all the divisions. So when will they coincide again? So if you want to find it between 2 and 3, we will take the same number, that is 1, 5, 5 by 11, and multiply that by 2. So there could be any type of questions like this. At what time in minutes? Now here there is a specific thing, that is in minutes. They are just asking about the minutes. Between 3 and 4 o'clock, both the needles, that is both the hands, will coincide each other. So we know the formula, that is 1 hour, 5 minutes, 5 by 11 seconds, and we have to take the smallest part, that is, as it is saying, between 3 to 4. So we have to multiply 3 with the given time, that is 3 into 1 is 3, 5 3 is 15, and then 15 by 11. So 15 by 11 we cannot write directly. We have to again simplify that with the help of a division. So when we will divide 11 by 15, 1 would be the quotient, that is a minutes, and 4 would be the remainder, that is the seconds, 4 by 11. Now that 1 minutes we have to add up in the minutes. So instead of 15, that would be 15 plus 1, that is 16 minutes. That is at 3 hours, 16 minutes, 4 by 11 seconds, the hour and minute hand will coincide again. They would be together. Correct. But in the question, it is purely asking about us. It is asking us about minutes only. So that would be 16, 4 by 11. We cannot write the complete thing, that is 3 hours, 16 minutes, 4 by 11 seconds, as the question is only in minutes. Similarly, this is our next question. You can try it out. At what time between 10 and 11 o'clock will the hour hand and minute hand coincide, or when they would be together? So again, you have to do a simple thing. Take the same number, that is 1, 5, 5 by 11, multiply that by 10, and you will get the answer. Please do a careful division when you are dividing. The question that you will get, you have to add up that to the minutes, and the remainder that you have to get divided by 11 will give you the seconds. So simple thing. Similarly, you have one more question. At what time between 6 and 7 will the hands of clock together, or will they be coinciding? Okay, so again same thing. Take the same numbers, 1 hour, 5 minutes, 5 by 11 seconds, multiply that by 6 and you will get your answer. So as you can observe in these two questions, it's not asking about a specific minutes, it is asking you about the entire thing. So you have to write the complete time, that is 10 hours x minutes and y by 11 seconds, that the hour and minute hand will coincide. So hope you understood today's concept. You can take the screenshot of both the questions, try it out and get your answer. See you until next time with some new tips and techniques for different logical reasoning topics. Thank you everyone.